Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The time is 45 minutes past the hour of 11 in the morning, and the date today is the 28th of May 2024. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. Passengers with connecting flights out of Manila will be given priority. Remain seated until your row numbers have been called for deplaning. Passengers who need assistance, like wheelchair, shall be deplaning last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Matias and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. If you have onward connection on Philippine Airlines flights, please proceed to the transfer desk. Passengers taking PAL flights departing from NAIA Terminal 1 may avail of our free shuttle service. Our ground personnel will be happy to assist you.